Hey guys, today's Monday, February the 5th of 2024, and I want to go over natural gas pre-US market. So without any further delay, let's get into it. As you can see, Pitchfork right here is still holding. Maybe we get a bounce. I don't know. I'm 50-50. I'm on the sidelines on this one. I want to see if this angle holds. If it bounces off here, it indicates that natural gas is going to be respecting this line in the future. As you can see, volume Friday, the bulls took it very strong. Congratulations, bulls. You got something going on. Let's see how today's going to play out. Let's look at, actually, you know what? Let me show you some other thing I have here. Weekly support. As you can see, these are all level of supply, or you can say resistance. Used to be support, now is resistance. And this is our last leg of support right here until we take out 194. Let's go to our simple glance chart real quick. Nothing's really changed. Kind of, volume, if you notice, the last 3 months, very strong to the bear side. MACD still negative. Volume was pretty decent last week. A little bit above average, so that's good. And the MACD, the only thing positive here is that the MACD, we just had a crossover today. So let's see how we close, because this could switch right away. And you can see the Heikin-Ashi is starting to turn, like there could be maybe a turning point here. It's getting really skinny. We'll keep an eye on that. Let's look at our midpoint chart. This is where we kind of dissect everything. So looking at the daily chart, you can just see we're going sideways, holding this pivot of 203 around there, just kind of going sideways here. We got our low of 194. For the month, 194, nothing really big. If there was to really be a move, this could be a possible target of 220. And to the downside, it'll be 168. Or actually 193 first. Always 193, which is our low. So that's that. And then for this week only, these are the bigger targets. And have you noticed we're just dancing around the midpoint of the weekly, which is 209 now. We're just hugging that bad boy right there. So if it's going to go up, obviously it has to stay above 209, which is, positive. We're going to test 216, which was that high of last week. And if we push higher, targets will be 220 and then 224 for the week. And it could even go higher than that, but those are targets, realistic targets, Now, if it's going to be a head fake and go down, obviously it's going to test 202, the last low of last week. And then you have 198 and then 194. That April 14 low is right here. Those are your targets to the downside. So this is for the whole week. Now for today only, for the US session, so far we're bullish because we're above the midpoint, 206. So we could stay above 206 and stay above the VWAP. You got 210. That was Friday's high, I believe, overnight session. You got 212 and 214 to the upside. If it's going to be bearish today and we are open below 206 and below the VWAP, and they're going to start pouncing on it, the bears again, obviously you're going to have the 202, which was Friday's overnight low, then $2, and then 198 targets for today. I think that's it for me, but I'm going to sign out. Statistically, this whole week, guess what? Is down. So let's see how that's going to play out. Sorry I didn't get to do a video on it, but I just give you a little quick update on that. Hopefully maybe I'll have some time today or tomorrow to do that. This Commitments of Traders report indicating that the large speculators are hedging and commercial are hedging and large speculators are selling. So it's going to be interesting. Hopefully I had some time to do a quick update on that. But anyway, good trading, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.